Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked, to what temperature must a gas 273 K be heated in order to double both its volume and pressure? There are three major things that are being given. Look at volume, pressure, temperature, gas law, general gas equation. Volume, pressure, temperature, general gas equation. And in general gas equation is a type of equation that combine both Boyle's law and Charles' law together. And what's the formula of general gas equation? We have P1 V1 all over T1 is equals to P2 V2 over what? T2. Look at temperature given in Kelvin, volume, pressure, general gas law. P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, Boyle's law. V1 over T1 is equals to V2 over T2, Charles' law. Now, the question says that to what temperature, what the first temperature has been given, T1 is equals to what? 273. To what temperature? To what temperature? Now they are now asking you for what? T2 must be heated in order to double both the volume. What was the initial volume? The initial volume V1 is equals to, you don't know, so it's what? V1. The initial volume is what? Is V1. The initial pressure P1 is equals to what? P1. You don't know, because they say that to double both its volume. So now V2 now will be what? It doubles, so it will now be what? 2V. Are you following? It doubles. V2 now, it double V1. You get that? It's equals to, sorry, P. The next one is what? P2 now will be equals to, it also doubled 2P1. Look at, in order to double both its volume, what was the original volume? V1. Are you following? What was the original pressure? P1. There's no value for that. Now, it now doubles the original. The double means to time multiply by 2. You get that? So V1, V2 will be what? 2V1. And P2 will be what? 2P1. Are you following? Now, we are going to make T2 the subject of formula. T2 P1 over what? P1 V1. Are you following? Now, the next thing is that T2 now will be equal to, what is the value of your P2? Look at P2 is what? 2P1. You multiply by, look at this thing. V2 will be what? V2 is what? 2V1. One is what? The value of P1, look at P1 is what? P1. Multiply by V1 is what? V1. It is simple. What you simply do is that P1 will cancel here, P1 will cancel here. V1 will cancel here, V1 will cancel here. So what is left? T2 will be equal to what? 2 times 2 times what? 2, 7, this one. So T2 will give you what? T2 will give you 1092K. So our answer is what? Option D. Do well to like, share, and comment. Follow for more. God bless you.